All of the following, except one, are frequently referred to as the fire triangle. A. Oxidizing agent. B. Chemical reaction. C. Heat. D. Fuel. Answer B. Chemical reaction. Malicious burning of structures, both public and private, hotels, buildings, edifices, trains, vessels, aircraft, factories, and other military, government, or commercial establishments by any person or group of persons. A. Arson. B. Simple arson. C. Destructive arson. D. Malicious mischief. Answer C. Destructive arson. Destructive arson is punishable by A. Death. B. Life imprisonment. C. Reclusion perpetua. D. Reclusion perpetua to death. Answer D. Reclusion perpetua to death. A chemical reaction where a substance absorbs heat energy. A. Endothermic reaction. B. Exothermic reaction. C. Pyrophoric. D. Fulminate. Answer A. Endothermic reaction. A chemical reaction where a substance gives off heat energy. A. Endothermic reaction. B. Exothermic reaction. C. Pyrophoric. D. Fulminate. Answer B. Exothermic reaction. A phenomenon in which a fire that has consumed all available oxygen suddenly explodes when more oxygen is made available, typically because a door or window has been opened. A. Endothermic reaction. B. Exothermic reaction. C. Pyrophoric. D. Backdraft. Answer D. Backdraft. Is transferring heat through a material by direct contact between particles. A. Convection. B. Radiation. C. Conduction. D. Combustion. Answer C. Conduction. Is the process of heat transfer by movement of fluids. A. Convection. B. Radiation. C. Conduction. D. Combustion. Answer A. Convection. Is the transfer of heat by electromagnetic waves. A. Convection. B. Radiation. C. Conduction. D. Combustion. Answer B. Radiation. A building unsafe in case of fire because it will burn easily or because it lacks adequate exits or fire escapes. A. Fire door. B. Fire trap. C. Fire hazard. D. Fire escape. Answer D. Fire lane. Answer B. Fire trap.